In front of me is a AQARA Hub M2 for the Xiaomi Smart Home system, and I will show you how to enable so-called night mode on this device. You need to open the AQARA app and then go to the My Home, Home Management, then go to the My Home, tap on the accessory, tap on the Hub M2 and tap on these three dots, go to the more settings, and then you can toggle that switch, and between 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. the indicator light will be turned off. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.